Hi guys, welcome back to Techsy channel. Before go to the video, if you are a new one for our channel, click below subscribe button and press bell button to be the first known about our channel videos. If you are a YouTuber, this is a very important thing for you. Don't you still have sufficient views for your videos? Try this and get amazing results. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Then click here. Then go to More Tools. Then go to Extensions. In Extension, click here. Then go to Down and click here. Type here TubeBuddy. Then click Extensions. You can see here TubeBuddy extension, then click it. Click Add to Chrome. After downloaded, you can see here TubeBuddy has been added to Chrome. This is the TubeBuddy extension. Here you can see TubeBuddy sign-in required. So go through that and sign it. Choose your TubeBuddy channel account. Click Allow. Then you can see here these video details, total views, comments as well as the channel details. In this video, tags are here. If you create a video about motivation, you can use these tags and rank your videos. I will soon bring a video to teach you how to rank your videos using this extension. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to press bell button to be the first known about our new videos.